Fieldwire versus Raken 2025. Which construction management are better? Most people get construction apps wrong by assuming all project management tools work the same. In 2025, Fieldwire and Raken both serve contractors, but with different focuses. Fieldwire excels in task management and on-site coordination. You won't believe what happens next. It allows field teams to assign tasks, mark progress and view plans in real time. Its blueprint markup and issue tracking are ideal for keeping teams aligned and reducing delays. Raken, on the other hand, focuses on reporting and time tracking. The surprising truth is it lets field crews log hours, track safety compliance, and generate daily reports effortlessly. This is particularly valuable for project managers who need detailed documentation for clients and regulatory purposes. Pricing and integrations differ. Fieldwire supports multiple project types and integrates with PIM software, while Raken integrates well with payroll and accounting systems. Mobile apps are strong on both, but Fieldwire's offline capabilities make it better for remote job sites. In conclusion, choose Fieldwire if you need hands-on task management and plan coordination. Choose Raken if time tracking, reporting, and compliance are your main priorities. In 2025, the right app depends on whether you prioritize team, coordination, or documentation efficiency.